Hello technocrats. Today we will discuss the electrical measurement instrumentation next video, and where we will study about the ammeter and voltmeter. What is the ammeter? An ammeter which has a low resistance used as voltmeter if we use a high resistance in series connected. And what about the voltmeter? Voltmeter has the high resistance, and there are the two factors for the power loss occur in the ammeter. Actually, the loss is equal to I square Ra. What is the Ra? This is the resistance of ammeter. It should be minimum, it should be small, so that loss will be the minimum. Otherwise it provide a drop across the ammeter and the reading will be affected, whichever I discussed earlier. And for voltmeter also, the loss is equal to E square or the V square divided by RV. What is the RV? It stands for the resistance of the voltmeter. It should be high. It will be high, and the V square divided by RV will be the less. So the loss will be reduced. And now we will discuss about the operation of ammeter and voltmeter of an alternating currents. Let us see. Torque in an instrument to be used in an alternating. Actually, current circuit said proportional to the square of the current passing through it, the instrument. The deflection will be proportional to the mean value of the square of the error, square of the current for spring control. The measurement of RMS current or the voltages. Types of instrument used. This is the moving iron used both for the AC and the DC. Moving coil, it is used for the permanent magnet form, like only for the DCs. This is the dynamometer form, both the DC and the AC. We use for the measurement purpose the thermal, both are used. Electrostatics, voltmeter only, both. Induction, used only for the AC purposes. And what is the error in the ammeter and the voltmeter? Let us see. The precision about the voltmeter and ammeter. 0.3 percentage of single range voltmeter of the permanent magnet moving coil type up to 0.5 percentage of a multi-range self ammeter of the same type. What is the wattmeter about the error? 0.5 percentage of single element single range electromagnetic wattmeter to 0.6 percentage of multi-range instrument. For a double element multi-range instrument, the limit is 1.0 percentage. Where the industrial, the error for the ammeter and voltmeter are from 1 percentage to 3 percentage in case of switchboard instrument, and 0.7 to 3 percentage for portable instrument. The higher error being the thermocouple and the rectifier instrument wattmeter are between 1.0 and 2.5 percentage. This is whole summary of the error causing in the measurement. The moving iron instrument. Let us see what is the moving iron instrument. Actually, there are two general types of such instrument, namely the attraction and there is the repulsion type of used. In all moving iron instrument, the current to be measured is passed through a coil of wire. The number of turns on which depends upon the current to be passed through it. A certain number of ampere turns is required for the operation of the instrument, and this number can be made up by a few turns and a large current, and the vice versa. The attraction form of the instrument, or a small piece of iron like this is the small piece of the iron drawn into the core of the coil, drawn into the core of the coil. This is the core, and here this is the coil place in this section, and this is the core amount, and this is the also this is the coil. And when current flows, when current in this section, and this mm, iron, moving iron, this is moving iron, when current flow in this, it move. This is called the attraction type, and also there is a repulsion type. This is the image is here. This is moving iron repulsion type, where this is a fix, this is the side top view of, this is the top view of repulsion. This is the fixed contact, and this is the moving contact. This is the moving contact. When current flow in this coil, it produces a repulsion for the fixed iron, and the moving iron repulse, and it moves. And this is the shape of fixed repulsion element. This is the fixed repulsion element. Fixed attraction element, this is the fixed attraction element. This is N, we can see here the this is N, yeah, this is the small piece is the N, and this is you can see here also, and I can zoom it. This is the N small piece is the N, and this is also N, yeah, this is the small, this is the N. Both are the same polarity, and this is S, so it will be attracted to this side and repel from this. So this is the whole summary of the instrument, and let us see. Also, in the moving iron attraction type, there are used the air damping chamber. Actually, this is uses, but in this current scenario, we are using the spring type. But this is the air damping chamber for the damp the oscillations, and provide the smooth reading of when the pointer moves. When current flow in this, and the attraction force is created, and it attracts the moving iron to this side, and this pointer moves this, and this is the damped force which damp the oscillations of pointer, and a smooth reading also provided. And similarly, this is the concept for the repulsion, and this is the also this is the control weight, this is the balance weight. In this also there is the control weight, and this is the control weight, and this is the balance weight. You can see here. What is the theory of the moving iron instrument? Initially current I, inductance L, and the deflection we can say the theta. If the current increases by di, small amount of the current is increased, so the deflection changes by d theta, and induction by dl, derivative, the small portion. In order to effect an increment di in the current, there must be an increase in the applied voltage. This is given by, how can we write? We can say that the d by dt Li is equal to E, and it converts into I dl by dt plus L di by dt. Electrical energy supplied, what is the electrical energy supplied? We can multiply like this, I into dt both side, then this will be converted into I square dl, and this will be I L di. and after that the stored energy changes from half I square L to half I plus di square into L plus di. Now this equation reduces into this, and after that, by some work, neglecting the higher order, neglecting the higher order, we can find I Li plus half I square dl from the principle of the conservation of energy. Electrical energy supplied is equal to electrical energy supplied is equal to increase in stored energy plus mechanical work done. Then we can move here I square dl plus ILDI is equal to ILDI plus I square dl half actually plus T d theta. Thus T d theta is equal to half I square dl, and it is equal to capital T is equal to half I square dl by dt, means P in Newton meter, I in ampere, L in Henry, theta in radian. This is the whole summary of the torque. What is the error in the moving iron? Only in AC current. Actually, for the AC there is the error, and this is the discuss. We can check here with both AC and DC. There is the hysteresis error, and the second is the stray magnetic field. And what about the with AC, the frequency error? For the frequency error, I changes the reactance of the working of the coil and the magnitude of the current setter in the metal parts of the instrument, and it vary with frequency. Actually, the ED current also varies, and the inductance is also dependent on the frequency. Actually, this is the I, and it is the term the reactance omega square L square, and this is also dependent on the frequency, so the current is the dependent. Total impedance of instrument circuit where R is shunted by the capacitor, we can check here R plus j omega L plus small r divided by 1 plus j omega CR. This is the capacitance, and R plus j omega L plus R divided by 1 plus omega square C square R square minus j omega CR square divided by 1 plus omega square C square R square. Impedance of frequency, this should be equal R plus small r, and equating real parts and imaginary parts, we can find here small r is equal to R divided by 1 plus omega square C square R square, and what about the capacitance value? C is equal to L divided by R square, hence only C square omega square R square is the small compared with the unity. Let us see, we will discuss moving coil instrument. There is the dynamometer type and the permanent magnet type. For the permanent magnet type, we discuss in the next lecture of the measurement unit. Thank you. Thank you all of you.